Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss GK. So first let us start with chapter 10, Enrich Your Language. Replace the underlined words with the correct phrase, idiom and rewrite the sentence. 1. Only after the salesman had left with her gold bangles did Anu realize that she had been cheated. So you have to write down the sentence once again. Only after the salesman had left with her gold bangles did Anu realize that she had been taken for a ride. Hira Lal, the politician, is popular because he has the ability to speak fluently and confidently. Hira Lal, the politician, is popular because he has the gift of the gab. 3. When the police caught the thieves red-handed, two of them managed to escape, leaving the third to bear the unpleasant consequences. When the police caught the thieves red-handed, two of them managed to escape, leaving the third to face the music. Number 4. While both her siblings are well placed, Chanda remains the disreputable member of the family. While both her siblings were well placed, Chanda remains the black sheep of the family. One can easily tell when Rucha is upset. She cannot conceal her emotions. One can easily tell when Rucha is upset. She wears her heart on her sleeve. 6. The students cheered loudly when the teacher announced that a picnic to the amusement park has been planned. The students cheered loudly when the teacher announced that a picnic to the amusement park was in the pipeline. Move to chapter 12, Inspiring Lives. An autobiography is a personal account of one's own life. Name the authors of the following autobiographies. 1. My Experiments with Truth, Mahatma Gandhi. The Story of My Life, Helen Keller. The Diary of a Young Girl, Anne Frank. Wings of Fire, APJ Abdul Kalam. Boy, Tales of Childhood, Roald Dahl. Man of Everest, Tenzing Norgay. The Greatest, My Own Story, Muhammad Ali. 8. Long Way to Freedom, Nelson Mandela. The Test of My Life, Yuvraj Singh. 10. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, Maya Angelou. B. A biography is an account of person's life written by someone else. Name the subject of the following biographies. Empire State of Mind, J.Z. Titan, John D. Rockefeller. A Beautiful Mind, John Forbes Nash. 1,000 Days, John F. Kennedy. A Man Who Knew Infinity, Srinivasa Ramanujan. The Accidental Prime Minister, Manmohan Singh. Chapter 13. This chapter you have to do as fill up. Chapter 14. Central and Eastern India. West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand and Odisha constitute the eastern part of India, while Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh lie in central India. This may come as your fill up. Underline the correct option. The river known as the sorrow of Bihar, Kosi. The city in Jharkhand that has the largest steel plant in India, Bokaro. The characteristic applique work of Odisha, Pipli. The hills from where the Narmada river originates, Amarkantak. Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand are India's largest coal-producing states. 6. The diamond mining center in Madhya Pradesh, Panna. The famous Maratha queen of Indore, Ahilya Bai Holkar. The horseshoe-shaped waterfall in Chhattisgarh, Chitrakote. The famous hill station in Satpuras, Panchmarhi. The limestone caves in Chhattisgarh, Kotumsar. The city that is home to the great banyan tree, Kolkata. The state well known for the popular dessert Sandesh, that is your West Bengal. The missile launching center in Odisha, Chandipur. The university founded by Ravindranath Tagore, Vishwa Bharati. Chapter 15. A phobia is an irrational fear of something. A. Read the given descriptions and name the fear. 1. Fear of spiders, arachnophobia. 2. Fear of time, chronophobia. 3. Fear of closed and crowded spaces, claustrophobia. 4. Fear of open places, agoraphobia. Fear of computers, cyberphobia. Fear of foreigners, xenophobia. Fear of dead bodies, necrophobia. Fear of water, aquaphobia. Fear of speed, tachophobia. Last one, fear of insects, entomophobia. B. Use the clues to make new words from the word minaret. 1. Relating to the sea, marine. 2. Part of the eye, retina, unkind and spiteful, mean, teacher, skill, train, person living in a prison, inmate, place where coins are made, mint, group of players, team, very angry, irate. Chapter 17. Measuring instruments. Fill in the blanks with names of the correct instruments. An altimeter is used for measuring altitudes. A seismograph is used to measure and record the strength of earthquake shocks. An anemometer measures wind speed. Then a galvanometer measures electric currents of small magnitude. A lactometer is used for testing the purity of milk. An odometer indicates the distance covered by a car or any other vehicle. A rain gauge records rainfall at a particular place. A spirometer measures the curvature of surfaces. A photometer is an instrument for measuring the intensity of light. A thermostat is an instrument used to regulate temperature at a particular level. A chronometer is commonly used to measure time accurately. 12. A radar uses radio waves to detect the direction and speed of an approaching plane. 13. A stroboscope is used to illuminate a moving body very briefly at frequent intervals in order to study periodic motion. A crystallograph is an instrument that measures growth in plants. Chapter 18. Take the city in which these institutions are situated. 1. Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad. Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, Uttarkashi. 3. Tata Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. Netaji Subhas National Institute of Sports, Patiala. Film and Television Institute of India, Pune. Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Mussoorie. Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. English and Foreign Languages University, Hyderabad. National School of Drama, New Delhi. Bhava Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. Buzzwords. From the clues, identify the words that are in common use today. 1. A small digital image or icon used to express an idea or emotion in electronic messages and web pages. Emoji. A photograph that one takes of oneself, typically with a smartphone. Selfie. A word or phrase preceded by hashtag used on social media, websites, and application to identify messages on a specific topic. Hashtag. The action of spoiling a photograph by unexpectedly appearing in the camera's field of view as the picture is taken, typically as a prank. Photobombing. The time at which television viewership is expected to be at highest prime time. Using current news to advertise a product on social media. Newsjacking. An idea mostly humorous in nature that spreads among people rapidly via the internet in the form of images or videos. Meme. An acronym of You Only Live Once. It tells you to make the most of the present moment. YOLO. A tool to judge the popularity of a particular TV channel. TRP, television rating point. 10. Obtaining personal information such as passwords and credit card details of a user through fraudulent email, phishing.